Hi you guys, and welcome to phase 2 of this series. In this series, we're going to build 4 web apps and one build that's going to include some ad hoc connectivity Wi-Fi setup. Let me explain. So our first build, we're going to do a hello world, and we're going to set up Nginx and configure the image to build our image, hello world. After this build, we're going to add the ability to shut down and restart your Pi through the PHP. And we're going to add sudoers recipe to that build. And in the next build, we're going to go and we're going to configure an ad hoc network, just like Valencia.io, except we're only going to do a couple of sections. We're going to configure the Wi-Fi so it can broadcast, so we can connect to it, and so we can forward the packets to it to have internet. But we're not going to do the actually Wi-Fi connectivity into the next build. And on our fourth build, we're going to add the Wi-Fi helper, and we're going to configure this web interface to interact with the Wi-Fi and our Wi-Fi class that I developed, and we'll be able to connect. And finally, fifth and last build, we're going to go and add a debug and be able to show all the errors that we have logged using the SQLite database. And so overall, there's a lot to cover here. And you can skip anything you want. If you want just the code at the end, you can go for it. I recommend you guys go through the steps just to get familiar of how to build a system. So this is phase 2. Let's begin. Thanks.